guys, welcome back to my channel. So good news is I went back and watched the video I recorded with that, the plan with me, and it's on par with my other one. So when like I watch it in that, like for some reason it just doesn't look as good. And ironically, you'd think I would know that because some of the other videos did the same thing. Like previously I'm like, man, that looks so light, or doesn't look light enough, and it's fine. It looks good. So I may take those big boys down. So excited. I have to figure out how I want it to look because the way the bar is, it looks a little weird. So I gotta like figure out the restructuring over there. I'm so excited to get rid of those. I also got my print impressions and it's nice. You'll have to see, although vlog this, yeah, so plan with me, no, Simply Gilded haul just went up, then one of the vlogs will go up, sorry, and then this will go up. So yeah, I can show this to you now because you won't see this before the actual video. Take a look at how beautiful this color is. I got an A6. I've never gotten an A6 before. Like I did TN A6. I didn't really use it. Actually, it's from Kane as well. So look at how beautiful this is. Look at it. I don't know. I feel like it's not. There we go. Maybe. Look at it. It's so pretty. Like I love it. I'm like fully obsessed. And like look at like how beefy these rings are. You ready? And then like that's some beefy rings. They're not like these cheap little rings. So, and I know a lot of people wonder about like rings. Like look at how good these are. So if you haven't ordered from Kane, definitely check him out. These are not real leather, and that's kind of what I like about it. I mean, I love my Foxys, don't get me wrong, but I also like that these are not leather. And then he also threw in, let me line these up correctly because I know there's like a thing. Okay. All right, sorry, technical difficulties. Look at how pretty these are. So these are like clear with holographic. This is like, it's silver, but it's a little holographic, but I definitely think it's silver, not hollow. It may be hollow, I don't know. I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I take that back. Well, it's a silvery holographic. And then there's like a rainbow one, and then a pink one, and a gold one. Like, look at how pretty these are. So, I'm excited to film that bad boy. And I missed his weeks one. No, it's downstairs. So I don't have that one. I should wait and do one, but then I'll just do another video. I'm not mad at it. So, technical difficulties here. This will be my next Washi Wednesday. Yeah, so that video has to go up before then. Okay, today's task, my junk drawers. Yeah, in downstairs. I still have a lot to do up here. Trust me, and it's getting worse. Like, I'm becoming a mess, yeah. But let's do the junk drawers downstairs because I think you guys will enjoy those. You saw one of the cabinets down there. I was going through decorations, so now it's junk drawers time. Don't judge me. Okay, I have 2 plus 2 cabinets. Yeah, plus technically another one because that's all like paper. Do not judge me. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just finishing up my makeup. It's been about an hour since I have seen you. I'm still tired, like a lot, but I'm looking forward to going to see some of my friends. I have to put my eyebrow on because, except for this, okay. Let's so what I'll do is I'll do the front here, and then I'll take the darker one. Oh man, I am so glad it's the weekend, except the fact that there are 1 million people, literally 1 million people who came in for the Super Bowl. Our stadium only holds 71,000, so I guess, because I was asking Mike, I'm like, I don't get it. Like, why would you come in and then not go to like the Super Bowl? Like, why would you pay to come in and not go? And he's like, well, think of it as like, so we have a Georgia versus Florida, like football for college. And that's pretty popular. So it's like just a big tailgate party. So I think people just want to be in the city, I guess. That's how I'm trying to like think about it, because like I don't get it. So if you have done that for any Super Bowl or big like sporting event that you didn't have tickets to, but that you like flew in, not necessarily drive, because drive I would see, like we could drive to Georgia, Florida and be like totally fine. Because it's about 6 hours away from us from Atlanta. But why would you go to another state for a big sporting event and not go? Because they said literally 1 million people. And since we live in Atlanta, we are cautiously going out. We're like going out away from Atlanta, because ain't nobody got time to deal with that in Atlanta. Oh man. Not terrible. I think anytime I use this, I mean, this is like what people used to do. Like they would like draw it on and like super define it. And don't get me wrong, I loved this stuff in the day. But I'm trying to go, although not right now, to go a little bit more natural brow. Not, like I said, not like this. But when I have like no makeup on or very little bit of makeup, that I try to keep it easy going. This is getting darker by the minute, although this one will cover my hair. Okay. Now time to put some eyeliner on, although I want my eyebrow to stay. So I use this little guy. It's from MAC. It is Pro Longwear waterproof, and I use the brown one. It's usually when I wear more natural brows. This is a warmer one than the color that I use to warm it up, because I like cooler tones in my makeup because I have red everywhere, so I go cooler. But except for this is a warmer, although my hair is looking pretty warm, but I think in real life it's like 50-50, like cool to not cool. Okay, mascara. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. Not a lot, just a little bit under the eye. I debated doing liquid, but I don't know. Don't know here. Right in front of my face. I debated wearing false lashes, but I don't really feel like dealing with those right now. God, my hair looks so short. I did chop a little bit off, which I probably should have recorded for you guys. I've always recorded them for you, but I did chop a little bit off. And so I kind of like this 1 inch. So I did a 1 inch and I only curled it like right here. So these are a little bit more sparse. I'm trying to give myself a little bit of volume, and I did them back and forth. So it wouldn't be all the same way, but the way I think it does it, it falls, it kind of goes all the same way. So it's kind of like that, but I think it'll be fine. Like if I like tuck that, because I probably won't have that. It'll be more so like that tucked. That's kind of what I'm thinking, like generally. Okay, pretty sure this is dried. Yeah, I can barely even get any on my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go downstairs. The problem is the one I have downstairs is not waterproof, so it's probably gonna end up down my face before the day is over, but it'll be all right. Okay, again, I'm not doing anything like super. Yeah, so I will go put like normal mascara on because that's real dried up, but yeah. And then I got boots and we gotta call our Uber. So I will see you guys later. Good morning, fine people of the internet. It has been a minute since I have seen you. It's probably been 5 or 6 days, maybe a week. Work has just been crazy, so I haven't either had time to work on my shop or like do anything. Parts, I don't know. I think I have shown you like me cleaning some stuff. I'm like in this let's clean everything out, like everything. So Maria Kondo, I guess, is sweeping the internet. I'm not necessarily doing what she does, but I'm purging my house. But I do it almost every year, so not anything new. But I guess the sweep that she like, ooh, well, arm fat hanging. I'm wearing a sports bra, so like, you know, oh, it's a little, okay. So like her sweeping the internet is like totally going on right now. So I was like, okay, well, I will accept that. So I will accept the fact that I'm gonna clean everything. So I have like pieces, like I did my closet and I had pieces that I put in some of the vlogs, and then I am going to like make that its own video and then do a closet tour at the end. I think today is going to be this, and I really want to get into my guest room and my office. And I also did my kitchen already. My kitchen was probably the biggest one I did. So yeah, I actually want them to be separate videos. I think they're actually on this camera right here. So I think I'm falling in line with everybody else doing declutter videos. So I am not unique, but I will definitely still show pieces like in here. I just won't show it all because like obviously that's what I'm doing today. So when that video goes live, I'll have to like put it up here or over here, or you know, all the above. So I have to run some errands. I need to go to Macy's and return this and return a dress that I bought, or a jumpsuit, because I didn't really like it. Well, I did like it, it just my fat arms got in the way per usual. So I need to return that. I need to return some stuff to Michael's, and then I need to go to Target to get some more of like these size bins. These bins have been my lifesaver. Look how tiny they are, but they're like the perfect size to hold a whole bunch of stuff. I know you're like, what? So like, for example, this one, you'll see this in my, this, what is this called, the bathroom. So here, because you know, this one has extra bobby pins, contacts, makeup remover, toothpaste, teeth whitening, and then the stuff to clean my ear, and then some of these guys like my razors. But like, these are all little things that are quote unquote extra, or just things that you know you'll use but just don't like need to think about about them. Like, it's just like the perfect size. So I have a few other things in there. So I need to fully redo it, like these drawers, which I did not too long ago. So anyway, this one should be fun because I just have shit everywhere. Okay, I will see you guys in a little bit. It's like no time has passed. Well, for you, technically it hasn't. So let's get down and dirty to some not so good parts of my house, which would be this one. I started to show you guys this in a previous vlog. Yeah, this is what we're working with. So this always stays out because I don't know why, but I'm gonna go. Don't judge me. I guess you can't really see that, so that's in my favor. So yeah, let's go ahead and start dealing with this.